Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to install the FullBright texture pack for Minecraft on your PC. Perfect for lighting up those dark caves. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. Alright, let's get started. First, grab the FullBright pack. Click the first link in the description. It's a safe site. Wait out the 5-second ad, then download the .zip file, about 2 megabytes, to your downloads folder. Next, you'll need Optifine. Use the second link to get it from optifine.net. Download the 1.2 1.8 version, a .jar file around 5 megabytes. Double-click the Optifine.jar file. A window pops up, so click Install. Takes about 10 seconds. Open your Minecraft launcher, select the Optifine 1.2 1.5 profile, and hit Play. In the main menu, go to Options, then Resource Packs. Click Open Resource Pack folder, drag the FullBright.zip from Downloads into it. No unzipping needed. Back in the game, select FullBright from the list, move it to Selected, and hit Done. Jump into a world and boom, everything's lit up. And that's it. You've successfully set up the FullBright texture pack for Minecraft. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, or your favorite biome. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.